These moving straps are really handy when you need to move big, bulky items. They transfer the weight so well that it almost feels like you're not lifting anything. Now, of course, you still are, but the amount of weight that these put on your forearms and be able to brace the item, it makes it real easy to be able to carry bulky items with two people conveniently. Normally, this dresser, we would have to lay it on its side to be able to lift it properly. But with these straps, it's going to make it real easy for us to be able to carry it down upright and be able to conveniently do it. So what you do is you start by laying the straps underneath. On these big items, it can be really nice to be able to cross the straps so that they don't undo themselves underneath. But go through, put them on, and then you'll put them on. As my daughter here is demonstrating, they go onto your arm, right up to your forearm, and you want to make sure that you can push on whatever you're lifting here like this, so the other person will have them similar to be able to distribute the weight properly. So we have Matt over here, putting them in, put them up on your arm. I'm ready.
All right, sir, I'm ready too.
Then you pull it up, and now it makes it much more convenient to be able to carry it.
They were able to move every piece of furniture in our house using these straps.
Look at this, carrying this, how it's on the forearms here, two of us doing this, makes it really convenient and easy to be able to carry this. Highly recommend it.
Agreed.